ano pala? Ay, liwanag. Sarap ng cookies, no? Ganda, din naman may painting. Love.
Yes, I do.
Hi, Sam.
Hello.
Hi, Sam.
Hello.
Are you ready for 29 questions?
Yes, I am.
Okay, unang tanong. Biglang Tagalog. Anong date niya?
April 4, 2026.
What's special about this day?
It's 2 days before Christmas. 2 days before my birthday.
Okay. So, ano grateful ka sa araw na to?
Grateful ako because I spent this special day with my family.
Wow. So, 3 words to describe how are you feeling right now?
Happy, blessed, and grateful.
Okay. Favorite color?
Thanks.
Favorite food?
Favorite food is something sweet.
Coffee or tea?
Coffee,
What's your guilty pleasure?
eating sweets.
Wow. So, what's your dream vacation?
Vacation. Basta. Dream vacation, makapunta sa Japan.
Wow. So, what do you more na prefer? City or island?
Island kasi nasa city na ako.
Okay. Night in or night out?
Night out.
Fun fact about you.
I love music.
What's your favorite music?
Favorite music?
Yes.
Christian music and listening to mommy.
Your favorite sport?
Yun naman kasi sports ko karate.
Okay. You have a nice necklace. So, what do you prefer? Gold or silver?
Silver.
How about sneakers or flats?
Sneakers.
So, Nike or Adidas?
Nike na lang.
So, ano din? What's your favorite essential sa bag mo?
Power bank.
Wow. So, lip tint or lip gloss?
Lip gloss.
Mascara or eyebrow?
Eyebrow.
An item you can't live without?
Item I can live without. Cellphone.
What's your favorite place to shop?
TikTok shop.
Favorite bag?
Favorite bag. This bag.
Favorite thing to do?
Favorite thing to do. I love singing. Question mark.
Ano yung lesson na natutunan mo ng 28 ka? Dadalhin mo ngayong 29 ka na.
To be more intentional sa mga tao. I'm gonna spend my time.
Your favorite Bible verse?
Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you. What? Kailangan bang iano ko pa? Pero ano lang yan. Subscribe para malaman yung buong.
Then, favorite Bible character?
Peter.
Favorite way to spend your Sundays?
Spend it going to church.
What's your dream country?
Japan because of anime. Watching anime.
Okay, so last question. What's your biggest wish for the year ahead?
Biggest wish is more time with my family na lang. And plus is good health for me and my family.
Wow. Bye!
Bye! Thank you guys.
Ayun no, sa ilalim. Yung sa'yo na lang.
Akala ko kasi dito, ayaw mo dito eh.
Ano masasabi mo?
Hindi na sabi dito pa eh. Advance, kasi hindi pa yung sabi ko, parang tuba. Isa ba rin ito?
Thank you po.
Ubus na. Haluin nyo.
I will pray every day, every night, that we need someone like him. Sana, pag nagpapasok, renta ka, baby ka pa rin. Yun lang, we love you very much, baby. And thank you sa lahat na pagtimpla mo ng kape sa mama.
Kahit na sorry ka, you still serve the Lord.
connected to church o sa career mo. Ayun, happy birthday.
Thank you,
Dito
Kuya.
lang kami ni Sam. Pag kailangan mo nung makausap or gusto mong mag-coffee,